Pokemon Master once again, and for today's video guys, I will be showing you some cool stuff that we bought in the supermarket. So before anything else, I would like to send a disclaimer. This one is not a paid video guys. This one is not a sponsored video from Yobik. So if you're the owner of Yobik, or you can give us some sponsorships. So thank you so much for watching guys, and please don't forget to subscribe in our growing channel, and please give me a like. Ayan, thank you so much. And this is our Yobik drink that we found in the Lotus supermarket. So now they are selling Pokemon yogurt drink. So I think Pokemon tied up with this brand. So Yobik is a yogurt brand here in Malaysia, and it's very tasty and very nice guys. So this one EV is a strawberry flavor, so you can have this guys for around 5 ringgit. Only 5 ringgit you can get around how many ml, 700 ml already of this yogurt flavored drink, which is very nice guys, which is very healthy and good to drink. If you are a fan of yogurt drink, you should buy this Yobik drink. If you like strawberry, you can select EV strawberry flavor. And if you like other flavor guys, like this one Fuji apple, you can select Charmander flavor for the Fuji apple. Very nice, you can see. Okay, and we also have Pikachu, of course, my favorite Pokemon. We have Pikachu. That's why this is our logo guys. Pokemon Master logo is Pikachu, because this is one of my most favorite Pokemon. So this one is original flavor, Pikachu. Don't know yet. I never tasted this one yet because I only tasted the strawberry one before. So now we bought 5 of them to try each one of them. So we have also Sakura flavor. If you like Jigglypuff, so we have Sakura flavor. I don't know the taste of this, but if you already taste guys this Yobik yogurt, you can comment down in the video and you can tell us your honest opinion in these flavored drinks. I hope you can give me a sub as well guys. We're a growing channel. We already reached 3,700 subscribers, and we almost hit 1 million views in YouTube. Thank you so much for all of your love and support to us. And I always do this video because as long as I know someone is entertained in my video guys, I'm always doing some contents. That's why thank you so much guys. We're doing some Pokemon and MTG contents, but now let's make a Pokemon content out of these yogurt drinks. So for our last yogurt flavor guys, we have this mulberry blueberry yogurt flavor from Squirtle. Very nice. So this one is 700 ml yogurt flavored drink, and this one has a serving per bottle 2.3, and the size is 310 ml per servings. So per servings guys, you can have 96 kcal. Okay, so that is the equivalent for the per servings, but this one is 300 ml per servings only, but we have a total of 700 ml. So overall guys, you can just divide this one. Okay, so the protein is 2.5 grams per 300 ml, 310 ml. Okay, total fat is 0.9 grams. Okay, so overall there's no much fat here. There's only carbohydrates and of course sugar, 14.6 gram, and sodium 74 milligram. And actually it's pretty nice. So this one is made in Thailand, and they're exporting in many countries. So tell me if you have this drink in your country guys. I don't know, some of our viewers is living in Europe, some is in Australia, some in US, some in Asia. So please let me know if you already taste Yobik yogurt drink, and what's your opinion on this guys. Pokemon is going everywhere. Actually guys, I read an article just now that Pokemon is the new art meta. It's one of the very hype artwork in the whole world. So I'm very happy because I'm a very huge fan of Pokemon since 1990s. So it's really I'm really glad that my favorite anime and my favorite hobby is now becoming a very big hit in almost in all aspects. Even in food industry, they're you know, they're having also Pokemons already. So that's all guys in our video for today guys. Please give me a sub, give me a like, and of course please comment if you already taste this Yobik yogurt drinks, Squirtle, and what is your favorite? What is your favorite among them? So personally guys, I love strawberry, so I will be picking Eevee, and of course I love Sakura. I never tried, so blueberry I'm not a fan. So probably I will be liking this Fuji apple and original. So but my most favorite is Eevee. So what is your favorite guys? Please comment down in the description in our comment section. Thank you so much guys. God bless. And please visit our online shop, our online Shopee shop guys. Please buy on our Daily Dose of Magic online shop. I'm selling a lot of Pokemon stuff there and MTG stuff there. So God bless. That's all for today's video guys. See you on the next video. God bless.